Hello, Saturday afternoon. And I got to spend most of the day today fixing this hot tub. Actually, fixing is the wrong word. Emptying, cleaning, scraping, varnishing. That was it. And it was a lot of time and a lot of work. And to make myself happier about it, I tried to think about two things. The first one was to think about how nice it will be when it's ready and ready for the winter and we'll use it. But the second thing was I reminded myself on a paper by a group led by Ellen Langer. And that in that paper, they went to a hotel and they talked to people who were cleaning rooms in that hotel. And half the people, they didn't tell them anything, no new instruction, nothing. They just said, go ahead and clean the room and we'll measure your health from time to time and do some surveys and so on. The other people, they told them, they said, you know what? Cleaning rooms, sorting out beds, using a vacuum cleaner and on is also an exercise. And when you do this, we want you to think about the fact that you're also exercising. And guess what? Those people lost more weight and were healthier. Now, there's a mystery about how that works. I mean, one thing you could do is you vacuum, and in the same way that you vacuum, you all of a sudden say it's an exercise and you lose more calories. But I think the answer is different. And they didn't have cameras in the room, so they don't know. But I think what happened is that the moment you think of something as an activity, you do it slightly differently. Maybe you pull things longer and so on. So when I was fixing this today, I was trying to think about that as well. I was trying to move my hand more in a longer way. I was trying to use my muscles and so on. Now, I don't know to what extent it was actually physical activity because of the positive framing I tried to do, but the two things, thinking about the future use of this hot tub and thinking about the fact that I'm actually exercising, not just fixing it, did help. So here's a little tip. Bye for now.